My name's Sarah Sargent, and I am the Executive Director of Erie Bird Observatory. We're a brand new organization that just started over the winter, and we are conducting bird banding here at Presque Isle State Park during spring migration, so through the end of May. And we are catching birds, putting bands on them, and that's how we study birds. But people are welcome to come and watch it and see what it looks like when we're banding the birds, having them up close in the hand, see all the details. We're also doing some other projects at the park, and we are a membership organization. You too can become a member of Erie Bird Observatory. You can look for us online. And right now we're fundraising to try to buy a storage trailer for all our gear, so we have a place to keep it here at bird banding. Okay, we work out at Fry's Landing, and it's just beyond Misery Bay, but before you get to the Coast Guard Road, there's a right turn, a dirt road, and that's where all these big piles of logs and stuff are that they pile up to burn here. But we're at the back of that. And we usually have a sign now right at the road that says bird banding with an arrow, so you'll see that.
And they don't necessarily see it. And they hit it. It's a really fine mesh, and they fall into what we call a pocket. So then they kind of just sit in there, ideally. They don't get too tangled.
They're up in the trees. Oh, they were up in the trees yesterday.
Oh, again. That's the same.
Oh.
So, yeah, so first we pull it out of the bag and see what species it is to know what size band it takes.
New. Quiet one.
These guys get, I know. 1A. I know. Band and spin it.
Give me the red one. Give me the red one.
And then I double check the fit to make sure it spins freely, but it's not too big where it would impede the joint. Double check the number.
You're hiding them. All we can see is the head. You're hiding the body. It's hard to guess.
It's a quiz. You have to be able to recognize it just from the parts showing. That's not me, but it's quite the quiz. The first thing that most people ask when they get here is, what are you catching today? So we have this handy board here where we try to keep up and list everything, and I need to add one more thing to it. We did catch a great breasted flycatcher.
No, okay.
There you go. There you go.